Hi friends, welcome to Radhika's teaching. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe. Please tap on bell button and get my notifications. Children, today we are going to discuss about the topic is rain and rivers. Okay, this is the second lesson taken from the 7th class. Okay children, all life on earth is very crucially depend on water. Okay, yes or no? Yes. 71% of the water is covered by the 71% of the earth is covered by the water. 71% of the earth. Okay, 71% of the earth is covered by the water. Okay. And we depend on the water for growing crops, for growing crops, for drinking water, washing, cleaning and various purposes. Okay, can we live without water, children? Yes, we cannot live without water. Okay, there is no water uniformly over a year. Yes, and there is no same quality of water everywhere. Evaporation. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the topic is evaporation. What is the evaporation? Let's discuss the one case study. Pranavi woke up in early morning and she wanted to take bath in hot water. Yes. She heated water in dish over a fire. The water is heated up. On the time the water vapor touches on the lid. And the use and help of the outside cool air, the water vapor changed into a or becomes a, the water vapor becomes water drops. The water drops stuck to the lid of the dish. Okay, stuck to the lid of the dish. She removed the lid. On that time, the water drops fell down the dish. Okay, in this process, Pranavi understood and realized that the process of evaporation. Your dry wet cloths in open, on that time the water is disappeared from the cloths and the cloths dry. Yes, and we have to keep some water in one plate. The water is also disappeared and this plate dries in a couple of days. What happened? Okay, water from the cloths and water in a plate, water becomes water vapor and this water vapor mixed with the air. Okay, this process is known as the evaporation. Okay, in this evaporation, when water is not boiling, so even when water is not boiling also there is evaporation. Yes, there are several water bodies on our earth surface. And what are the water bodies? Water bodies are oceans, rivers, lakes and tanks. Yes? What are the water bodies, children? Oceans, rivers, lakes, tanks and etc. Okay, these water bodies. Okay, there is a evaporation. Okay, there is a evaporation continuously from the oceans. Okay, there is a continuously evaporation from the water bodies. Okay, what are the water bodies? Oceans, rivers, lakes. Okay, there is a continuous evaporation from the water bodies. Wherever moisture, wherever moisture, the evaporation will take place. Okay, children. There is evaporation from, okay, there is a evaporation from our bodies, plants and trees and soils. Okay, there is a evaporation from our bodies, plants, trees and soil. Okay, children. Evaporate speeds with the increase in temperature. Okay, evaporate speeds up with increase in temperature. Formation of clouds and rain. Okay. When there is a rise in temperature, and then the water vapor is also rises and reached the high up in the sky. Okay, high up in the sky, and it gets cooled. Okay, the water vapor temperature is increased. On that time, the water vapor is also increased. Water vapor is also increased. Okay, the temperature is increased, then water vapor is also increased, and and it reached to high up in the sky, and it gets cooled. Why? Because of the atmosphere of the above the earth surface is cool. This cooling water vapor, okay, formed into a tiny droplets. Okay, tiny droplets. This cooling water vapor formed into a tiny droplets, and this tiny droplet mix with dust and smoke particles. Okay, dust and smoke particles. These, okay, when rises in temperature, the water vapor is also, okay, rises, and it rises and reached high up in the sky, and then that is cool. Okay, and it gets cool because of the, okay, the above the surface is cool, and next the cooler water vapor formed into tiny droplets. The tiny droplets mix with the dust and smoke particles, then they formed into a clouds. Okay, these clouds also continue to raised up. Okay, they continue to raised up, and they formed into the more droplets, and the clouds formed into the more droplets. Okay, more droplets, and these more droplets come together and formed a bigger droplets. Okay, formed bigger droplets, and these bigger droplets are heavier. Particles are heavier, and these bigger particles, droplets, and these bigger droplets began to fall into a rain. Okay, into a raindrops. Okay, children, understood? The temperature rises, immediately the water vapor also rises, and when the water vapor is rises and it gets cool, okay, and because of that it reaches the high up in the sky, and that time it gets cool. The cooler water vapor formed into a tiny droplets, and these tiny droplets mix with the dust and smoke particles, then these form the clouds. These clouds also continue to raise up in the sky, and these formed into a more droplets. These more droplets come together and formed bigger droplets. These bigger droplets are heavier, and these bigger droplets began to fall into rain. Okay, children? Evaporation. What is evaporation? Change of water into water vapor. Okay, this process is known as evaporation. Okay, what is condensation? Condensation meant by water vapor changes into water. Okay, this process is known as condensation. Okay, water, okay, change of water into vapor. Water into vapor is evaporation, and vapor changes into water is condensation. Okay, clouds. What are clouds? Tiny droplets of water hanging in the air above. Okay, what are the clouds? Tiny droplets of water hanging in the air above. Okay, these are called the clouds. Okay, children, this is our today's topic. Remaining portion of lesson we will discuss in the next session. Thank you, children.